Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. And today we have a cool unboxing video. We got two different vehicles here. Two Matchbox vehicles to be exact. They're both the same casting. This one is from 2007. This one is from 2021. They're both the Volkswagen GTI, also known as the Volkswagen Golf MK5 GTI, and got two different versions of it here, each on the shelf 14 years apart. I will open the older one first. Volkswagen Golf GTI. This first one is from 2007, MBX Metal, and card is not mint. Actually, quite far from mint. As you can see, it's already starting to open. Lots of soft corners. Bought it for $2 at a collectible store around 2.5 months ago. Maybe around that. J2369 is the number. And there's some cool things you can get. I think that's a place that you could get back in 2007, 2006 with the copyright. There's the back of that one. This is the 2021 version. 79 of 100 for Matchbox Highway. And this one was really cool. Picked this up at a Walmart around like 3 weeks ago. Around that. But this one is a black, Metalflake black. And this one is a Metalflake gray. There's the back of that one. GVX 89, 79 of 100. 2021 copyright. Alrighty. We're going to start off with this one. Nice clean open there because it was already partially open. Wish the lighting was a little better. I can turn on the flash. Here you are. This is the 2007 version. Give you a nice look at that one. Wish the lighting was better. It's still in the morning, so the lighting's not great. Completely black windows, can't see through them. It says Fast GTI on the front. Painted headlights. I like the red around the logo there and the painted Volkswagen logo. Grill. Liking the color on this one. Windows are open here. Take a nice look at the interior. Kind of hard to see. Split 10-spoke wheels. They spun well. Nice hatchback. GTI on the back. Volkswagen lights and logo. This is Fast GTI. The painting's a little warbled on the logo, but that's alright. Still a cool casting. Looks like there's a casting flaw right near the light there. Overall, satisfied with this vehicle. Here's the base, 2005. Copyright, made in Thailand with a plastic base. Golf V GTI. Alright, this is the 2021 version. I like to get them open from the bottom now. Got a little protector. I guess if I rip it off, I guess it could be considered a clean open. Looser wheels on this one. But I love the black Metalflake color. Interior, you can see it a lot better because the windows are actually clear and you can actually see. Sweet. Interior. MK5. And my dad actually owns an MK4 Jetta, so he's quite familiar with this close to his generation of cars. GTI on the hood, pretty much identical to that of this one, except with no license plate. Another cool casting. Love these Volkswagen Golfs. Picked this up at a Walmart. Gas tank. Painted back. GTI Life on the back of this one. Sunroof. There's the base. They retooled it in 2020. I'm not sure what the retool was. They're both made in Thailand. Don't see much of a difference. Maybe it's the front license plate, because the license plate actually counts as a retool. Man, this video took a lot more time than I expected it to. Two nice clean opens right there. 2 Volkswagen Golfs from Matchbox. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.